Hello everyone, welcome to the Trade Like Gann YouTube channel. This video is about how the forecasting instrument service works and what will you get after subscribing to this service. So let's get into it. These are the information what you will get after subscribing the service. The large trend, what is the large trend running in the market? The second thing is exact trend change dates, plus and minus 1 day each side, one trading day actually each side. It could be before 1 day or after 1 day of the forecasted dates, and in very rare occasions there could be a delay of 2 days, plus minus 2 days, but that's very rare. The next thing you will get is the commentary, how to trade with these dates, how will you deal with the market. And one more thing that you will get after subscribing, important video. You will get an important video after subscribing. In that video, what you will understand that how to trade these dates more profitably. Definitely you will use your own technical indicators or technical system, but what we will help you to do with these dates is how can you improve your trading and how to cut the false alarms and how to catch the big trades. The fourth information that you will get is important market change if needed. This is not necessary that you will get this alarm or this information every single month. You will get this information when it is necessary. If there is a very important change in the market, we will alert you in advance. Through this point, let's move ahead. These are the dates that you will get. These are the dates. And what do I mean by plus or minus 1 day is that you might get this as the forecasted date or this as the forecasted date. It doesn't matter actually, right? And when you are in this day, and you don't know the future, you can after watching this candle or the starting of this day, you will understand the turn date has already occurred. So it will take 1 or 2 days to a week to understand how to trade these dates. After that, you can trade these dates like a pro. If you do not understand, or if you are not getting the big trends like these, don't worry, we are here. We will be available every single day of the week and you can contact us anytime. Everyone wants to see some demo, right? So this is a demonstration. This is the index Nifty 50, and please write down or take a snapshot of this dates. I hope you have done that. Let's go to the Nifty 50 and let's see what is happening right now. As you can see, today is 1st September of 2021, Wednesday. This is Nifty, and the first date was 27th of August. Where is 27th? This is the 27th August. All these yellow lines are our forecasted dates. The 27th August is a low, so the next date will be a high, and the next date is September 5th, which is in a weekend. In these type of situations, you close your trading position before the weekend, which is September 3rd. so you are safe, right? It is a quite good move, and I don't think that it is worth taking the risk of waiting till the next trading day. So the important trend change dates are given in the presentations. Keep a note and see after some time, after some days, what happens in the market. You will find yourself in shocking positions that how good these dates are. Let's get to the presentation. Back again. Well, once again, these are the dates, turning dates for the Nifty 50, and this is a low, this is a low, September 5, 2021, a high, September 8, a low, September 11th, a high, September 16th will be a low, and the rest of the days will continue this sequence. How much does this service costs? The forecasting instrument for monthly purposes will cost you a $400 per instrument. And let me remind you that this is an promotional price. The price will get a lot higher than this. Well, let me tell you that this is a service for very serious traders. Remember, this is for very serious trading. If you are serious in trading, this $400 is nothing for a month. I hope you get that. So this is Trader K. Hope you have a great day.